Next step is installing your AIO. Go ahead and lay your block somewhere safe in the PC and line up the radiator with the slots at the top of the case. Grab the pack of silver bolts that came with the cooler and mount the radiator to the top of the case. With the radiator mounted, go ahead and grab your block and be sure to peel the sticker off because it will overheat your PC. Now grab your thermal paste and make an X pattern on the top of your CPU. Now each one of these blocks installed differently based on your motherboard. If you have AM5, it's going to look like mine, but be sure to follow your instructions. The main thing is that it's secure and it's touching the CPU. Once you're sure that it's not going anywhere, go ahead and grab your cables. You should have two 4-pins and a 3-pin. The cable that comes directly from the block should plug into the 4-pin header labeled AIO pump. Now just peel off the plastic and it's time for your graphics card.